project today. We're going to take these pallets. I've got 6 pallets laying around, and I'm going to convert them into chairs. Another tool that I use is a reciprocating saw. Works great. This is a Mastercraft brand. It wasn't too expensive. That's in Canada, US, but you can buy reciprocating saws from any location. Just cutting the pieces. So I just trimmed off part of the pallet to make a back for the top of the chair, and I'm working on setting the rest up. Using the oscillating tool, and nothing's happening. We've got 2 legs on, and we'll put the back leg here on, and we're going to put this next leg in. I've notched the materials, and it'll sit right in there, and it gets screwed on and glued on, and great stuff. I use this LePage's glue. It's really good stuff. Always good for fun times. And I work with my rigid fill set. Well recommended. Good price, good function. This is sort of a hammer type. A box up type. From pallets to pallet chair. In the backyard, garden, kitchen garden special.